Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Adobe Photoshop not opening on Windows 11. To start, go to your search bar and type down Photoshop. Right-click on it and click on Open File Location. Then go to the app and right-click on it and click on Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator are ticked. Then hit Apply and OK. Double-click on Photoshop to check if it works. If not, go to your Drive C, or where Photoshop is installed, find Adobe Photoshop in the Program files. Delete all plugins and then open Photoshop again. If it still doesn't work, go to your search bar and type down Windows Defender. Click on Windows Defender Firewall, then click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Tick both Private and Public for Photoshop. If you can't find Photoshop in the list, click on Change Settings and Allow an app. Then browse to Drive C, Program Files, Adobe Photoshop. Tick both Private and Public for Photoshop and hit OK. Close the window and restart your computer. After that, launch Adobe Photoshop and everything should work perfectly fine now. Thank you for watching. Quick Tweak.